The AutoZone Fix Finder's top reasons your check engine light may be on. Number 6. Mass Airflow Sensor. So you've been to AutoZone and our free Fix Finder service has revealed that your mass airflow sensor is damaged. What's the next step? What is it and what does it do? The mass airflow sensor is only found on fuel-injected engines and helps the engine computer to calculate how much gasoline the fuel injectors need to deliver to each cylinder for proper fuel-air ratio. Why do they go bad? Dirt and debris are the main cause of a faulty MAF sensor. It's also a good idea to examine it whenever you change your air filter. The number one way to prolong your mass airflow sensor's life is to clean it with MAF cleaner whenever you change your oil, or once every 6 months. Just make sure to do it when your vehicle is cool, not hot, as the filter protects the MAF sensor. Where do I find my mass airflow sensor? Your vehicle's MAF sensor is located between your air filter and the engine throttle opening. It's important that the tubing carrying the air to and from the MAF sensor has no leaks. What are the signs of a faulty mass airflow sensor? The most common symptoms of a malfunctioning MAF sensor include engine struggles to turn over, poor idling or stalling after starting, and hesitation during acceleration. How difficult is it to replace an airflow sensor? A new MAF sensor is pretty simple to replace yourself if done correctly. On our difficulty scale from 1 to 10, we give this job a 3. All you need is a screwdriver and about 20 minutes. Do I need to replace it? The mass airflow sensor is a small instrument, but it can lead to big problems and malfunctions if it's not replaced. Changing your MAF sensor can help prevent damage of spark plugs, O2 sensors, or even the catalytic converter, which could result in poor engine performance. Now that you know what to do, take the next step and stop by AutoZone for the right parts, tools, and friendly advice. And if you need a repair shop, we can help you with that too.